The Indian Army conducted surgical strikes last night at these launch pads.
Promise they have made in January 2004 that they will not allow their soil to be used for terrorist activities against India. They have not walked the talk that such condemnable acts will not be tolerated anymore, and befitting measures will be taken to ensure the safety and security of the country.
We fully support the action taken by the Indian Army, and we support the government also in its endeavour to protect our national security.
I must say I'm very proud of the armed forces. They seem to have gone and conducted a successful strike. They have returned without any casualties. The real message has been sent to the Pakistanis that they cannot send troops to our country with impunity to attack our targets and attack our people and our Jawans. I'm very proud as an Indian that we have actually sent this signal and apparently done so very effectively.
उड़ी में जिस प्रकार से कायराना उसने जो है हरकत की, उसका जवाब जरूरी था, तो ये एक बहुत ही स्वागत योग्य है और इसने पूरे भारत वर्ष में एक बड़ा जो है एक जोश भरा है, मोरल अप हुआ है हमारी सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का, हमारी आर्मी का.
Pakistan has been violating the ceasefire line every time. It has been sending infiltrators, it has been sending terrorists to India, and therefore the latest attack by the Indian Army last night on the launch pads in POK will give a serious jolt to Pakistan and the terrorism